Welcome back to our channel DevOps Invent. In today's video, we are going to explore how to execute any process anywhere within an Azure Data Factory pipeline. This capability allows us to incorporate custom code, scripts, or activities into our data workflows. Let's dive in. Screen displays an introduction to executing processes in Azure Data Factory pipeline. Host. Azure Data Factory provides a powerful feature called custom activities that enables us to execute any process or code within our data pipelines. Host. This flexibility allows us to extend the capabilities of Data Factory by incorporating custom logic, transformations, or external services into our data workflows. Screen displays the steps to execute processes in Azure Data Factory pipeline. Host. Let's walk through the steps to execute a process within an Azure Data Factory pipeline. Step 1. Create a custom activity. Host. The first step is to create a custom activity. This activity represents the process or code that we want to execute. Host. We can define the activity type as custom and provide the necessary information, such as the script or command to run, input and output datasets, and any additional configuration settings. Step 2. Configure the custom activity. Host. Once the custom activity is created, we need to configure it according to our requirements. Host. We can specify the resources, dependencies, and environment settings needed for the process execution. This includes details like the integration runtime, virtual network, linked services, and authentication methods. Step 3. Add the custom activity to the pipeline. Host. Now that our custom activity is configured, we can add it to our data pipeline. Host. We position the custom activity within the pipeline, ensuring it is appropriately connected to other activities and datasets. Step 4. Monitor and execute the pipeline. Host. With the custom activity in place, we can monitor and execute the pipeline. Host. We can track the progress and status of the custom activity, view logs and diagnostic information, and ensure that our process is executed as expected. Conclusion. Executing any process anywhere within an Azure Data Factory pipeline provides us with the flexibility and extensibility to incorporate custom logic and external services into our data workflows. With the ability to create custom activities, configure them to our needs, and add them to our pipelines, we can unleash the full potential of Azure Data Factory for our data integration and transformation tasks. Host. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Azure Data Factory tutorials and other tech-related content. Host. Thanks for watching and happy data processing with Azure Data Factory.